Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Nia from Charming Lashes. Today's video I will be showing you guys my lash room. So I'll be doing a quick little lash tour to show you guys around, show you guys how my place looks like, and I'm so excited to show it to you guys. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy the content that I am providing you guys. Don't forget to comment down below what you would like to see next in my next video. I do have a couple surprises for you. I hope you guys have seen my last video. My last video I was explaining to you guys my lash business, my lash strips that I will be selling. The website is now open. I will put the link down below in the description box. Go ahead and check it out if you make a purchase. Thank you for your support. Just keep on watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye. So this is my door. I decided to get these cute little eyelash stickers. It actually was like a quote. It said like, I woke up like this, and then I had the eyelashes, but since it was in my old office, I couldn't really rip off those words anymore because they like tore up. So I managed to save the eyelashes, and then I just put it on the door. So once you first walk in, I decided to just put this in my office because why not? It's my business. So these have all my lashes in it. Don't forget to check out my website and Charming Lashes and go ahead and make your purchase, ladies. I have a bunch of goodies in that website. And here is my scale, and this is basically just to weigh my all my shipments, I mean. And then I have this cute little plant here just to add a little bit of color in here. And then in here is all my bubble mailers, and then I have my shipping bags in here just to you know, those cute little bags to put my lashes in. And that's about it. I have some extra rags, and I'll show you why I need those rags. And when you turn here, here is like just my trash can, and then I have a cute little lash cart. And I bought this lash cart at Michael's. Before you even purchase anything there, search online because they always have coupons. The funny thing is I actually went to Home Goods, I went to Ross, I went to TJ Maxx, and I was looking for like a cute little storage cart because this used to have my lashes in it. And I didn't like my lash extension trays. I used to have it in there, but I didn't really like it because as you can see, like, since it's so open, I couldn't really organize my lashes in there because they would always fall down and all that stuff. So I was just like, I need a lash cart for my new room. And when I went to Ross and all those places, they were like 60 bucks, 70 bucks. And I was just like, like, I feel like I could find it cheaper. And I actually got it at Michael's for $29.99, and I found a coupon, so I ended up paying $25 for this cart. And literally this is the same cart at Home Goods for 60 something dollars. I'll put the link down below in the description box if it's still there. So yeah, in my lash cart I have my lash cleanser that I need to refill because it's like empty. Oh yeah, like I said, in the lash cleanser, it's called Prolong Lash Cleanser. That's what I use in here, in distilled water. Shake that up, and there's your cleanser. I have my glue from Stacy Lash. I know I had some comments of people asking, where do I get my glue from? This is from Stacy Lash off Amazon. I used to use Clearly Luxe by J Brand Beauty, but I felt like Stacy Lash fit with my humidity range, and it gave me a longer retention. These are my microfiber applicators. My spoolies are in here, scissors, my razor, my fan, my glue applicators, my jade stone. These are just my my tapes, and here is my thing to tell me if my humidity is good. As you can see, it says comfort and everything. My Thermopro. This is my super bonder from Ruthie Bell. I really like it. It's really good. This is my primer from Lashbox LA, and this is my Glue Aid from Lashbox LA. For those who do not know, Glue Aid will solve all your problems for humidity. If you feel like you have a retention issue and you feel like you cannot control your humidity, Glue Aid solves all those issues. This is my Next Care tape. It's really good. I really like it. It's so gentle on your client's eyes. Here's my little nano mister. I got this off Amazon, I believe. As you can see, little nano mister. And this is just my thread for brow tinting because I'm starting to do brow tinting now. And then when you get under, here is my cute little collection of lashes. For those who do not know, I get my lashes from Yeki Beauty. These were just a lash brand that sent these to me because they wanted me to try it out. So I still need to try them out. So I can't really give you guys a good description as if do I like them or not. So don't purchase them yet because I don't know how they are yet. I still need to give a review. And these are my brow tinting kits. I got these off Amazon from Godefroy, I think it's called. Godefroy, I don't know. But yeah. And then here's just my little Kleenex. My tweezers are all in here. These are just the chargers to charge my fan and my nano mister. This is my mirror, hi. And then down here is just my sterilizing stuff. And then this is just if people send me cash. But this is basically my sterilizer case that I put my tweezers in, and then I fill it up with barbicide. And then as soon as I put it in, like as you can see, like you put the tweezers in here, and then when you put it down, it like submerges in the barbicide and it sterilizes your tweezer. A great purchase if you guys are interested. I will put the link down below off Amazon so you can see it. And these are just my lash cleansers that I sell for my clients who are interested in buying them. I also sell them. And down here is basically just my acetone, just in case I get glue on my tweezers, my alcohol for the eyebrow tinting, some sterilizer wipes, a lint roller, and a candle. Don't know why I have a candle in there, but yeah. Here is my dehumidifier. In my old office, I had to use the dehumidifier because it was so humid in there, because I think there was like a little crack at the bottom of the door, so like it was letting in all the moisture, which was so annoying. So I had to purchase a dehumidifier. So for those who don't know, dehumidifier basically sucks up all the moisture, well, most of the moisture that makes your room way too humid. If you're interested in that, I'll put the link down below. I got it from Amazon for I believe like 40 bucks or so. It's really good, you guys. But I don't think I'm gonna need it for this room because like since it's in my house, the air is like controlled. All my windows are sealed, so yeah. I also have my dental bibs that I got from Amazon. Sorry, this is just hand sanitizer. But I got these dental bibs. They're like sterilizer bibs, so I can put my tweezers on it to keep, you know, like, well, instead of me using a bunch of napkins, because I like had a thing where I used to waste a bunch of napkins and I always had to throw away rags and wash so much rags and just keep buying them. So I got me these and they're actually really good. They open up way like bigger, but if you want you can use them folded or just rip them up and save some more. This is just my chair that I got off Amazon. If you're interested, I will put the link down below so you can see. This is the lash bed. So what I did was, as you can tell, some of the massage beds, because I got this off Amazon, it can actually be very tough. The thing about this lash bed is since I got it off Amazon, it didn't really have a cushion to it. Like it's like basically a massage table that you can wipe down with like a wipe. And I felt like when you lay on it for like 2 hours or an hour and a half, your butt, your back, everything starts to hurt. So what I did was I basically put a bunch of blankets and I folded it. So I have like 4 layers up here and then the sheets obviously, but these are the layers of the blankets. I just put it, and I got those from I believe Marshall's for $8.99, but you can also find these at Ross for $8.99, and they have a good color selection. And then I also have an extra blanket just in case they get cold. They can just go ahead and put this over them. And then this is just a rag just for sanitation purposes. They can put their head on it. I also put the sanitation bibs on top as well, just to keep everything, you know, good and sterilized and sanitized, I mean. And then I also have a neck pillow down here because I had a pillow, but I felt like I laid on this. I know this sounds weird, but I laid on this bed to see how it felt, and I felt like the pillow hurt my neck. So I just put a neck pillow and I laid on it, and it felt like 10 times better. So yeah, you can find a neck pillow anywhere, literally Walmart, Ross, or whatever. So I just put the neck pillow there, and then I just cover it up, and then I put the rag, and yeah, you can just continue lashing. And this is my ring light that I use to see when I'm lashing. I believe I put this down in my other video of me lashing, or like me going to my office, but if you still want to know where I got it from, I'll put the link down below, not a problem. And then these this is my curtains, and I just put a cute 2 little flowers thing just to add a little, you know, something to my room. And then those are my certifications for brow tinting and lash extensions. Yeah, so right here I just have a cute little thing talking about success. And then right here is the mirror. So basically, like when they get up from the bed, there's like a cute little mirror right here, and like I give them a spoolie always so they can just come in the mirror, brush their own lashes. And so yeah guys, this is my lash room. Really simple, but I think it's like really cute. Oh yeah, and then I got this rug from Amazon as well. I used to use it as my background for when I finished doing a lash set, like I would record them and stuff, but I felt like I don't want to do that anymore. I want to change up my background, so I just used it as a rug. If you're interested, I'll put the link down below. I got it from Amazon. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you can watch my journey on my lash business and all my lash sets that I do. Stay tuned. I will be recording a bomb set, you guys, and I'm so excited to show it to you guys. I'm also thinking if I should record my brow tinting series. If you want to, give this video a big thumbs up and I'll definitely do it. Comment down what you would like to see next. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. I will definitely answer you guys within the 24-hour grace period. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your support. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. It's at charming__lashes. I'll put that down below as well. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.